and welcome everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in this video we are going to do another practice drawing that is visible on your screen. Now for better understanding and for better grasp of the concepts related to this particular drawing, take a screenshot of this one and start drawing alongside me. I hope you guys will learn something new today, and I hope this learning will be useful for you. So without wasting any time, let's start with the drawing and let's learn something new. So we will start this drawing from the inner circle of diameter 30 units, and then we are going to draw the circles of diameter 42, 48 and 54 and 60 units, and then we are going to cut one portion and going to create the polar array. So select a circle using center and diameter, specify center as origin and specify diameter as 30 units, and then zoom in to the extent that uh, you think is suitable. Again, select the same circle command, use the same center, and specify diameter this time as 42. So 42, and then enter. Right click and repeat. Specify the center again, and next time the diameter is 48, so radius is 24. Repeat, use the same center, and this time the diameter is 54. Okay, so the 54, enter, and after that the outermost circle is of diameter 60 units, so use the same center as origin and diameter as 60 units. Now we are done with all the centers. The next thing that we are going to do is we are going to cut the lines using 30-degree angle on both sides. Okay, so for that we are going to draw a ray. So use ray command, start a ray from the center and draw it at 90-degree, and then we are going to draw a ray at 60-degree angle and another ray at 60 plus 60, 120-degree angle, so less than 120, and enter and click. Now we are going to cut one portion. So without delaying, we are going to cut, or we are going to use trim command, so to trim the non-required portions. Now after this we are going to create two arcs. Okay, so select an arc using start, center and end. So take this point as starting point, and 42, 48, and then next one was 60. So 60 is the starting point, then this one will act as a center and this line will act as the end point. Okay, we are going to repeat the same command, starting point, then center point, and then arc. So use same start, center and end. After that, on the other side we can use mirror command if we don't want to draw all the things again. So select these arcs, then click on mirror, specify this line as mirror line, and do not erase the source object. So this is one portion that we have created here, and we can delete the portion that we don't need. So we are not going to delete the ray, we are just going to delete this first or central portion here, and we are going to create a polar array. So select all of these things, click on array, select polar array, and specify this point as the center point, and specify number of items as 4, and then press enter. Now after that we need to create these portions. So we have this 30 diameter circle, so we are going to use fillet command to fill the portion. So click on fillet, specify fillet radius as 2 units and press enter. Select one of these portions. Now we are not able to select it because of because of the array command. So we are going to explode this array first. Click on explode and then click on the array and press enter. Now you will see that we have separated all of these things. Select fillet, specify fillet radius as 2, and then select the first arc and then second arc. Right click, repeat, same radius will be there. So select the first arc and then second arc. Similarly, we can use fillet for all other portions as well. First arc, second arc, right click, repeat, first arc and second arc. Now if we are not specifying the radius, so by default AutoCAD will take the previous radius. So it's a very easy task. Now we can create all of these fillets, and then you will see that our drawing is almost complete. Repeat this arc and this arc, and now we are going to trim the non-required portion from here. So click on trim, remove it from here, then from here, from here, from here, from here, and these smaller portions as well. And we are going to delete these lines as well, this one, this one, and this one. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to delete this central portion as well, this one as well. Okay, and this is our complete drawing. So the next work that we are going to do is we are going to use or basically specify dimensions for all of these arcs. So we are specifying diameters, dim diameter for this one. Repeat this one, repeat for this one, repeat I think, okay, for this one. Now we are going to use radius for some of these portions, like for this one, specify radius as 2. Okay, on both sides we are using radius as 2. Repeat, specify this radius, and next thing is we need to specify the angle. So click on angular, first line and second line, and then take this point as angle. Now we should change the color of all of these dimension lines so that we don't create any confusion. After that, the next thing that we are going to do is we are going to select all of these dimensions, this one and this one, and change their color as well. And we are going to create a hatch now to make it more appealing. Click on hatch, use a gradient, use whatever color you want to, and click inside the area that you want to fill with a pattern. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.